Guys, good morning. How is everybody doing? Woo! Same, I was driving 5 hours in the morning to travel this place. It's crazy. Damn, it's so hot right now. Look how clean the water is. That's the water where I want to swim. Yeah. Wow. Let's go roam around. This place is like, it's a hardcore fishing village, but right now it's just too early. I don't know how much people we have. They collect the salt. Damn, I've never seen a salt collecting. This rock is so scary actually. Oh wow. Oh damn, look at this beach. What a nice beach. Guys, a woman wants to have a free advertisement. This one. Yeah. That's a very good place. Bye-bye. Yeah. Smart woman. I need to buy water, guys. Yeah, over there. Hello, Xin chào. Hello. Can I buy water?
Ê Lộc,
Do you sell cold water?
Lộc bảo tao nói kìa. Một nước à?
Yeah. Is you gonna... No, it's okay. It's okay. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Number one.
Yeah. Okay, for you. Yeah. No. For you. No change. Good. Thank you. No change. Cheers, guys.
Okay.
Damn, I'm sweating so badly. So much sweat. Not good. Oh wow. Thank you so much. Thank you. No.
Để đâu về xe?
No. It's okay. Thank you. Damn, what a nice woman. Jesus Christ. Look at this place. Xin chào. Guys, do you see that one guy is over there? So this water is not that deep actually. It's like 3 feet maybe. Xin chào. Guys, do you want to have some oysters? Look at this, they're growing oysters over there. So much trash. Hello, sir. Yeah, some fish here also. You want saliva? Yeah, I know you like it. It smells. Damn, the water is so dirty. Just pressing through. Damn. Let's go check the salt farm. That's the thing that I saw the first time in my life. I was like, what the hell are they doing there? Are they growing rice? No, salt. We are at the salt field. Like this one is like concrete. Can you believe? Damn, look at this. Damn, that's unbelievable. Let's take one. It's so good. Damn, it's so hot. It's just unbelievable how hot it is. This is not healthy at all. Phew, it's so quiet here. It's crazy. Honk. I want to buy something like this. Let's see, can we buy? Oh my goodness. Then what the hell are we? Xin chào. Can I buy this?
Hey, ra ấy con.
Can I buy? Thank you. This one.
Anh ơi, đừng mặc sắc muối.
Yeah. Here.
Do you have a charger?
Đi dây sạc.
Có.
Damn, battery so low. Oh wow.
Nó đá xuống con. Ở đây nên mấy lần.
Tao dưới thế. In here.
Okay. Yeah, here.
Yeah.
That's good, yeah.
Màu đó anh thấy vậy.
Không, quạt tới.
That's very good. Thank you. Guys, my friend had a fish exactly like that, and he was eating mandarin. That's my food. I don't know what is that, but I think it's a squid. A squid.
You.
Oh wow, thank you, sir. Cucumber. I don't know what is this. Cucumber, yeah. Oh, spicy. Yeah. Thank you. Wow, what a good people. A cucumber. It don't taste like ours. Then the gentleman is bringing me food. Now he bring me a dry fish. Who's gonna pay you for all of this? Thank you, sir. Thank you. Yeah, not bad. Yeah, very good. Yeah.
Where you go? Where you from?
Europe.
Yeah, you from?
Europe.
Yeah. Huh?
Europe. Estonia. Yeah. Tim, I can't believe it. The guy wants to give me this one free. He wants to give me everything free. I only have to pay for this one. Tim, they even give me fruit. Oh wow, cold watermelon. We're gonna pay, of course. We'll just give them 500. If this food was 200 that I ordered. I'm just crazy. I'll give you 500. Tip.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. No. Bro, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, bye-bye. Damn, that guy is so good. Okay, bye-bye.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you. So now I need to go to one store. I need to buy a charger. Xin chào. Do you have a Type-C, a charger?
Cable.
Yeah.
Wuôn.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye-bye. Look at this Honda EDV. It's like that. Oh yeah, charging. Yeah, that's so good. Yeah, very good. Sam is absolutely crazy how friendly people are here in this place. Yesterday, when I went to the barber shop, not yesterday, 2 days ago, when I went to the barber shop, the barber said that somebody went there in the barber and they leave me a letter. So let's see. Like really, damn, that's so crazy. Look at this, guys. To Mr. Siim. Oh my goodness. Look at this. It's like a book. Oh my goodness. Damn, look at this, how much text there is. Kaboom. Yeah, Marius, thank you so much. Then that accident happened right in front of me. There was one young guy. I was driving quite fast and he just wanted to go past me like that. And just when he got past to me, then the old guy came on like this direction and they just hit. The old guy got so white, all the face was already swollen up like this. Damn, I just saw another accident. Damn, that's crazy. Guys, you cannot imagine the smell here. The smell is just crazy. Place like that. Oh wow, damn, you can even buy the juice here. Damn, let's buy juice. Why are you beeping, huh? Xin chào. Miss, can I have one? Yeah, bao lây. Sugar cane machine. Thank you. Yeah, buddy. Cheers, guys. Miss, xin chào. Hello.
Hello là xin chào.
Xin chào. Okay. But how do you say like bye bye?
Bye bye. Bye bye là tạm biệt.
Sorry.
Bye bye là tạm biệt.
No. This miss. Mia, come here. Chincho. But if I go away, how can what I say? Damn, let's use Google Translate. How? Tạm biệt.
Tạm biệt.
Tạm biệt.
Tạm biệt.
Yeah. Oh wow. Fresh fish just arrived. Or arriving. Damn, look at this boat engine. That's amazing. Even have a turbo. Damn, now I'm confused. What I need to say? Do I need to say Chin Chow? Or I need to say Chin Chow? Who knows? Chin Chow! Hey, what's up? Oh yeah, look at this gangster. He have tattoos on his back. Nah. Chin Chow! What side? They might see a very nice shop over there. Xin chào. I can go there like. Oh wow. Very good. And guys, thank you so much everybody who wished me happy birthday yesterday. Oh my goodness. Damn. Marius also, thank you so much. Marius is the one who sent me the letter. Somebody else in a Gmail also. There is no way. Guys. Oh my goodness. Damn, my Thai visa got improved. I just got a message. I have a 5 year visa to Thailand now. Damn, thank God. Damn, let's call Selena otsa. We can finally go away from Vietnam, guys. Damn, tomorrow I will go away. Let's go back to Thailand. Damn, that's so nice. Xin chào, sir. Selena.
Yeah.
Damn, we got the visa. I got the visa.
You got it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Damn, that's so nice.
You got it?
Yeah.
Are you happy?
Of course. Now I can go away.
Yeah, you can leave now.
Yeah. Then I will go tomorrow. I don't care. And Craig also. Craig, thank you so much for wishing me happy birthday. True friends. Yeah. Let's go home now. Then we need to start packing. Hello, sir. Xin chào. Bye-bye. Damn, I'm so happy about the visa. Damn, I was waiting the visa 3 weeks. Jesus Christ. Why I need the visa? Why I need to have a long-term visa? Damn, I have so many reasons. First of all, I don't want to get in the Philippines. You know, you guys don't even know how the Philippine government me so badly. I went there to extend my visa right in the 3rd January because my visa was expired at 6. So I went 3 days before to get express visa. I should have got the visa next day. But they didn't give me visa next day, even though I paid for everything. I paid double for this. So they contact me 10 January and told, hello sir, sorry it's gonna take a little bit longer because there's so many people right now who are applying for the visa. So I was already 6 days over because of them. And you know what they did? After 2 days, they came to arrest me because I was overstaying. That's how they arrest me, and that's how they got me. Damn it, they just me so bad over there. Yeah, they couldn't get me in a legal way, so they had to do their way. Yeah, so that's why I will get the long-term visa. I don't want to deal with this immigration no more. I don't want to deal with this. But then before we're gonna go home, I need to drink more water. Thank you so much. Yeah. Ooh. Damn, I'm so happy, guys. Now we have a home. Damn, I've been waiting so long. Guys, damn, it's crazy. Guys, over there they have an oil refinery. Who knew that Vietnam is producing their own oil? Look at this. The gas is burning over there. It's crazy. Last year, this oil refinery, their revenue was $5 billion. Bangladesh is 9 zeros, 5, 9 zeros. That's crazy. And they drilled the oil over there at the sea, somewhere far away, close to the, I think it was Chinese sea. Yeah, they have their own wells. Yeah. Guys, look at this. Look what's behind the cloud. It's like a plasma. What the hell is this? Like a UFO. Damn, I never seen anything like that. I need to do a small stop. Yeah! On the GoPro, you're gonna see the nice sunset. Let's zoom in. Oh, wow. Then we got home. But before we're gonna go home, then I wanna go to the McDonald's. Then they don't have my chips. So let's go to the McDonald's. I will get the food. And I always order McDonald's. And look at this. Just 100 meters away, I have my own McDonald's here. Damn, if I only knew. I will get McDonald's, I will get home, and I will eat a very hot hamburger. So many people. Oh wow, then we have to wait so long. I was a little bit afraid because I just watched the Thai news and they changed their visa thing, you know. Like Indian people, they only get like 15-day visa right now, and they don't even know if they will get that visa. It's gonna be a visa on arrival. And Americans, England, Europe, everybody, they don't get anymore 60 days, but they're only gonna get 30 days. Because there's so much shit happening there in Thailand. Crazy foreigners, you know, who don't have money, they just go there, they stay there 1 week, they do crazy stuff, and then they're just gonna bounce. And I watch even videos like, where those foreigners, you know what they do? Like Western foreigners, our people, they're gonna go to the store, and they steal from the store. They go restaurant, they buy food, and they basically run away. That's the stuff that they do over there, it's crazy. So Thailand is trying to get rid of all of these people. Basically, if you want to stay in Thailand, you have to show that you have money in your bank account. And I think it's minimum, I think it was like 15,000 USD, you have to have like minimum. And in Thailand, you cannot extend your visa. I think you can extend your visa only like 2 or 3 times, something like this. Like they don't want people there like that. If you want to come to Thailand, live in Thailand, you need to get yourself a proper visa. Then you cannot even buy a motorbike on your name without having a visa. You remember I was trying to go buy a motorbike and I couldn't buy it. I have to put it someone else's name, but now I can put it on my name. Very nice. And I don't have to deal with the immigration. I don't have to go there every month, extend, or do that border jump. How do you call that? Good. I don't know what's this, but look at this food. I ordered, what is this? Mac and cheese. I just tasted, it's disgusting. I ordered chicken, crispy chicken with cheese. Disgusting. This one also, like breast. Disgusting. I don't know, it's crazy. If I eat this Vietnam food, then it don't taste good at all. The only thing was the good was the pizza and the soup that I was eating. Really, the Vietnam taste is so different. Damn, I'm so full. I still didn't eat the cheeseburger. Yeah, maybe later. Oh my goodness, damn, I'm so full. I need to take a shower. Then I will continue watching The Dark Knight. Yeah. So guys, that was the whole day. I think tomorrow I will try to go to Thailand. I will see if I can buy the plane ticket. Yeah. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give this video a like. Subscribe to the channel. And guys, as always, see you in the next video. Bye bye.